hope Nicholas is there.
Right here.
Okay.
Okay. Welcome to County Court at Law number 6 remote. Today is Thursday, November 5th. Year of our Lord 2020. Today we have 3 pleas set, 2 on Ms. Jasso. I have cause number 632-872 and 639-155. And we have 1 on Mr. Jackson, cause 625620. Representing Mr. Jackson is Mr. Kevin Stryker. Representing Ms. Jasso is Ms. Sunny Middleton. I have documents involved in all 3 of these cases. The first one titled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video Conference. And the second primary document is Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. All these documents, 2 on each case, are purported to have been signed by both the defendant and his attorney or her attorney. Mr. Jackson, in cause 625620, is this your signature on both the consent to plea by video conference document as well as the court certification of defendant's right of appeal? Can you hear me, Mr. Jackson?
Judge, it appears both defendants are on mute. Okay.
Okay. Mr. Jackson, can you get your mute off? Can we hear you?
Yeah, you can hear me.
All right, we got you, sir. Are these your signatures on these 2 documents, sir?
Yeah, I think so. Yes.
You think so, or they are?
Yeah.
All right, thank you. Mr. Stryker, are these your 2 signatures on these documents?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Middleton, I have 4 documents for you, 2 on cause 632-872 and 2 on cause 639-155. Ms. Middleton, are these your signatures on these 2 documents?
Yes, Your Honor.
Actually 4. And also, Ms. Jasso, are these your signatures on these 4 documents? Can you hear me, Ms. Jasso? Your microphone is off. Same problem I had originally.
Yes, sir.
There you go. Thank you very much. Okay. 625620, State of Texas versus DeAndre Jackson. Number 632872 and 639155, State of Texas versus Joyce Jasso. I'm holding in front of you documents and court's admonitions that purport to have your signatures on the back, effectively waiving certain constitutional rights you must waive in order to enter a plea before this court. In fact, Mr. Jackson, is that your signature on this document on your case?
Yeah, it's my signature.
And Mr. So I have 2 documents for you. Is this your signature on each document, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
By signing these documents, are each of you telling me that you've had enough time to either read these documents or have them read to you in their entirety? For answers to your satisfaction by your attorneys, so that in signing these documents,
1 second, Judge.
Is that correct, Mr. Jackson?
Yes.
1 second, Judge. Ms. Jasso, when you're not being spoken to, can you please mute your microphone? Because we're picking up the cars driving by in the background, I think, and can't hear the judge speaking. Thank you.
Is that correct, Ms. Jasso?
Correct, sir.
Correct. That is correct. And Mr. Jackson, is that correct, sir?
Yeah.
As attorney for Mr. Jackson, have you had enough time to go over this case with him? And in your opinion, is he mentally competent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Same question for attorney Ms. Middleton with regard to both cases for Ms. Jasso.
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Jackson, are you a United States citizen, sir?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. And Ms. Jasso, same question.
Yes, sir.
Attorney for Mr. Jackson, Mr. Stryker, has the state fully complied with discovery for you on this case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Same question for Ms. Middleton on both of Ms. Jasso's cases.
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Jackson, to the charge of evading arrest or detention, how do you plead, sir?
Guilty.
Is there an agreement for Mr. Jackson, please?
Yes, Judge. It's going to be 5 days Bexar County Jail, $300 fine, court costs, credit for time served, time money to run concurrent. This is a judgment satisfied.
That's correct, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Mr. Jackson, the court accepts your plea of guilty. I find you guilty. I says 5 days in the Bexar County Jail. What do we got? Did you say $500? How much was the fine on this thing?
300.
$300 plus court costs, credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent, judgment satisfied. Anything further from the state or the defense on Mr. Jackson?
No, Judge.
Judge, and just for the record, the state is going to be dismissing as part of the plea deal cause number 2020CR0220 in the felony court, Judge.
I can annotate it on the file. I don't have the authority to actually TIC it, I don't think.
Of course, Judge. I just wanted to make sure that it was on the record that it was part of the plea deal. Thank you, Your Honor.
That's your understanding of the plea bargain. So the felony case number is 2020CR0220. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you very much. And is that correct, Mr. Maru?
Yes, Judge.
Okay. On Ms. Jasso's cases in cause 632872 to the charge of theft, $750 to $2,500. How do you plead, ma'am?
Guilty, sir.
I'm sorry, was that guilty or no contest?
No contest. Guilty.
Is there an agreement for Ms. Jasso in 632872?
Yes, Judge. That's going to be 1 day Bear County Jail, a $200 fine, court costs, credit for time served, time money run concurrent. This is a JSAT, Judge.
And Ms. Middleton, is that your understanding of the agreement?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Jasso, on cause 632872, the court accepts your plea of no contest. I find you guilty. I assess 1 day in the Bear County Jail, a $200 fine plus court costs. Credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent, judgment satisfied. Anything further from the state or the defense on Ms. Jasso in 632872?
No, Judge.
And
No, Your
cause
Honor.
39155, Ms. Jasso, to the charge of theft, $100 to $750. How do you plead, ma'am? No contest.
Guilty.
Is that correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right, court accepts the plea of no contest on cause number 6. Sonny, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Your client is pleading no contest to the charge of theft, $100 to $750 in cause number 639155. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
All right. Is there an agreement in this case, Mr. Maru?
Yes, Judge. It's going to be 8 days Bear County Jail, $200 fine, court costs, credit for time served, time money run concurrent, and this is a judgment satisfied.
And Ms. Middleton, is that your understanding of the agreement?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Jasso, in cause 639155, the court accepts your plea of no contest. I find you guilty. I assess 8 days in the Bear County Jail, a $200 fine plus court costs, credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent, judgment satisfied. Anything further from the state or the defense on Ms. Jasso in cause 639155?
No, Your Honor.
No, Judge.
Thank you, Ms. Middleton. What else we got?